started small. Weed, alcohol, ignorance. I believed this is what I wanted. Progression, meth. What I thought was freedom.
This piece speaks volumes to the current climate of today's political arena.
Have you ever been intrigued by the mystic arts? Have you ever wanted to see beyond the naked eye? Then come visit Avebury Mysticals and embrace enlightenment.
This is Dr. Lyle Pendergrass. I'm just calling about my grades that I submitted yesterday. Yeah, I'm just wondering what's up with those. Why, I sent them to you yesterday. I'm sorry, I can't debate this with you. That's it. I'm going back to school.
Something that I noticed, growth is very gradual. It's not a sudden epiphany that they get, but I see it in their choices. You know, I see that they make better choices rather than the ones that they may have made without this constant influence in their lives.
In a nutshell, it's very simple, but very powerful at the same time.